Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Every bottle of sunflower oil begins here, in endless golden fields where nature and human dedication create one of the world's most valuable crops. Producing premium sunflower oil starts long before harvest, with carefully selected seeds, nutrient-rich soil, and months of expert cultivation. Every sunflower begins as a tiny seed, precisely planted using advanced farming technology designed to maximize quality and yield. Consistent watering and careful field management help these young plants develop into strong, healthy sunflowers, ready for harvest. Healthy crops require constant attention, where science and sustainable farming practices work together to protect every sunflower. Over the following months, each sunflower transforms into a powerful source of nutritious seeds through one of nature's most remarkable growing cycles. Timing is everything. Harvest begins only when every sunflower reaches peak maturity, ensuring the highest quality oil production. Modern harvesting machines collect thousands of sunflowers every hour while protecting the valuable seeds inside every flower head. Every harvested sunflower is carefully inspected before beginning its journey to one of the world's most advanced processing facilities. The journey from farm to factory has begun, and next we'll discover how these golden sunflowers are transformed into the pure cooking oil used by millions of families around the world. After leaving the fields, every truck arrives at a state-of-the-art factory where the transformation from sunflower to cooking oil officially begins. Powerful unloading systems move tons of freshly harvested sunflowers into the production line with remarkable speed and precision. The first factory step focuses on cleaning, ensuring only the highest quality sunflower heads continue into production. Advanced separation technology carefully extracts every valuable seed while protecting it from unnecessary damage. Every seed is inspected using advanced technology to guarantee consistent quality before oil extraction begins. Proper drying preserves seed quality and prepares each batch for maximum oil extraction efficiency. Before processing continues, perfectly dried sunflower seeds are safely stored under carefully controlled conditions. Every production batch is carefully measured and monitored to ensure consistent quality throughout the entire manufacturing process. Removing the outer shell allows manufacturers to focus on the oil-rich kernel, where the highest concentration of sunflower oil is found. Now perfectly prepared, the sunflower kernels are ready for the most exciting stage of the journey, extracting the pure golden oil hidden inside every seed. This is where nature's hidden treasure is finally revealed, as enormous pressure transforms sunflower kernels into flowing golden oil. Every drop of crude sunflower oil is carefully collected, while the remaining press cake is prepared for valuable secondary uses. To maximize efficiency, modern factories recover nearly every remaining drop of oil using highly controlled extraction systems. Before refining begins, the crude oil is carefully filtered to remove tiny solid particles and prepare it for purification. The refining journey starts with degumming, removing natural compounds that are unnecessary in the finished cooking oil. Neutralization improves the oil's stability, helping create a cleaner, longer-lasting cooking product. Bleaching removes unwanted color compounds, revealing the bright golden appearance consumers recognize around the world. The deodorization process produces a clean, neutral cooking oil with excellent flavor and exceptional purity. Winterization creates the brilliant clarity expected from premium sunflower oil, even in low-temperature environments. After an advanced refining process, the sunflower oil is now pure, crystal clear, and ready for strict quality testing before reaching consumers worldwide. Before a single bottle is filled, every batch of sunflower oil must pass rigorous quality and safety inspections. Modern laboratories verify that every drop meets the highest standards for purity, safety, and consistent quality. Once approved, the pure sunflower oil begins its journey toward becoming the finished product found in stores around the world. High-speed filling machines deliver perfect precision, ensuring every bottle contains the exact amount of premium sunflower oil. Every bottle is securely sealed to preserve freshness, protect quality, and guarantee consumer confidence. Every bottle receives its identity through precise labeling and traceable production information. Intelligent inspection systems examine every bottle to ensure only flawless products continue to packaging. Every bottle is carefully prepared for packaging, maintaining exceptional cleanliness throughout the production process. Powerful robotic packaging systems prepare thousands of cartons every hour with remarkable precision and efficiency. From laboratory testing to fully packaged pallets, every step is designed to deliver premium sunflower oil safely to customers across the globe. After packaging, every bottle enters a modern distribution center, where advanced logistics prepare it for customers around the world. Smart warehouse technology tracks every pallet, making global distribution faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Every shipment is carefully prepared before leaving the factory, ensuring premium sunflower oil reaches its destination in perfect condition. The journey continues beyond the factory as thousands of bottles begin traveling across cities and countries. Modern transportation networks allow sunflower oil to reach markets across continents with incredible efficiency. Crossing oceans and connecting nations, every shipment helps bring high-quality sunflower oil to millions of families worldwide. Global distribution centers coordinate thousands of deliveries every day, ensuring stores remain fully stocked. After an incredible journey, premium sunflower oil finally reaches local stores, ready for customers to purchase. From home kitchens to world-class restaurants, sunflower oil has become an essential ingredient trusted by millions every single day. What began as a tiny sunflower seed has now become a globally trusted product, connecting farms, factories, and families across the world. Premium sunflower oil is trusted by food manufacturers and professional kitchens because of its consistent quality and reliable performance. From bakeries to restaurants, sunflower oil plays an essential role in creating countless foods enjoyed every day. Its clean taste and dependable quality make sunflower oil a preferred choice for large-scale food production. Professional chefs around the world value sunflower oil for its versatility and consistent cooking performance. Every bottle helps bring families together, turning simple ingredients into memorable meals shared around the table. Global trade connects producers with new markets, allowing premium sunflower oil to reach consumers across every continent. An advanced transportation network ensures every shipment arrives safely, efficiently, and on time. As one production cycle ends, another begins, ensuring a continuous supply of sunflower seeds for future generations. Every bottle represents months of farming, advanced engineering, skilled professionals, and an unwavering commitment to quality. From a single sunflower seed to millions of bottles delivered worldwide, this extraordinary journey showcases the remarkable power of agriculture, technology, and human dedication. Every incredible journey begins in nature and reaches perfection through innovation, precision, and human expertise. Behind every bottle is an intelligent production system working around the clock to deliver consistent quality. Modern automation ensures every bottle meets the same exceptional standard before reaching consumers. From local grocery stores to international retail chains, premium sunflower oil has earned the trust of customers worldwide. Across cultures and cuisines, one ingredient continues to unite kitchens through quality and reliability. A powerful global logistics network keeps millions of bottles moving efficiently every single day. What begins in a sunflower field eventually becomes part of everyday life in homes across the planet. Every successful bottle represents the combined effort of dedicated people working together from farm to table. Every stage of this remarkable journey reflects precision engineering, sustainable farming, and an uncompromising commitment to excellence. From the heart of the sunflower fields to millions of homes worldwide, this golden journey continues every single day. From endless sunflower fields to one of the world's most advanced factories, this remarkable journey represents innovation, dedication, and global excellence. Today, premium sunflower oil has become a trusted choice for millions of families who value quality, purity, and consistency. Every meal prepared with sunflower oil represents the incredible journey that began months earlier in a golden field. Professional chefs trust premium sunflower oil to help create unforgettable dining experiences every day. An extraordinary global supply chain connects farms, factories, retailers, and consumers across every corner of the planet. Behind every bottle is a story of months of hard work, advanced technology, and unwavering commitment to quality. This achievement is made possible by thousands of skilled professionals working together with one shared purpose: delivering excellence to the world. Every day, this incredible journey begins again, delivering premium sunflower oil to millions of homes across the globe. From a single sunflower seed to a globally recognized product, this journey showcases the perfect partnership between nature and modern industry. Thank you for joining Vault of Civilizations on this extraordinary journey from farm to bottle. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vault of Civilizations for more amazing factory stories from around the world.
So hello guys, welcome back to another documentary from farm to bottle, the incredible journey of sunflower oil. Discover the complete story of how sunflower oils is made, starting from vast golden sunflower fields all the way to modern high-tech factories. Watch every fascinating step, including sunflower cultivation, crop care, harvesting, seed extraction, oil refining, quality testing, bottling, packaging, and worldwide distribution. Experience the perfect blend of nature, advanced technology, and skilled craftsmen that transform tiny seed needs into the pure cooking oil used by the millions of families across the globe. If you enjoyed this documentary, please like, follow, and subscribe to the Vault of Civilizations for more amazing factory tours and documentaries, manufacturing processes, and the incredible stories behind the products we use every day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.